The La Homowo is arguably the most patronized festival within the Gandangbe community. Hundreds of people from across the country and in the diaspora thronged the La Township to mark the festival. This year, the festival was characterized by special drumming and dancing by traditional priests and priestesses, with the Lakpa Wolomo performing the prayers of the Kpa deity. To and fro the Lakpa Woko, seeking blessings and prosperity for the people of La. The Minister of Tourism and Creative Arts, Elizabeth Ofosu-Ejari, was impressed with the level of unity the people of La used to celebrate the Homowo Festival, disclosing plans for a maiden edition of a mega Homofest scheduled for 27 September 2014.
I've been directed by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, to organize a bigger Homowo Festival for all the Gandangbe people. So it was a good learning platform for me today. It's very interesting. I think that it will bring about national cohesion. So on the 27th of September, the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts is leading all the Gandangbe people to celebrate one huge Homowo festival. Homowo is hooting at hunger. Let's hoot at unemployment. Let's hoot at illiteracy. Let's use this as an occasion to tell ourselves that we will go to school, to tell ourselves that we will learn a trade, to tell ourselves that we will help build Mother Ghana.
The Lamanche need to be Tetechuru III used the occasion to advise Ghanaians to use their strength to support the government instead of castigating the president for the economic challenges.
I want Ghanaians to stop pointing their fingers at one particular fellow. He may be a leader, but I'm thinking we are all contributors to the present system. I'm not doing politics, but if the president has a magic wand, he will freely use it. All that I'm saying that we should all help him to find a solution for this economic crisis.
The Member of Parliament for La, Ni Amasa Namoale, advised the youth of La to take advantage of opportunities available to them right here in the city of Accra to better their lives.
I'm urging the youth that we have to move forward. We cannot continue to be youth. So let each and every person know that I have to get a vocation, I have to get my education, I have to do what I have to do to make sure that I advance in life. Everybody is trying to do something to come to Accra to come and compete. You are in Accra. You have to get something so that you'll be able to beat them because you have the advantage.
The tourism minister, on behalf of the president, donated an undisclosed amount of money to the La Traditional Council. Gabriel Obodai Tobo Ashon's report for Metro News.